just wanted to understand that today is the second last day of the show, and how has been the show so far in terms of visitors, in terms of exhibitor response, in terms of advanced technologies which have been showcased. What is the kind of feedback which you have been receiving for the last 5 6 days?
Yeah, so last 5 6 days, 5 6 days, it has been amazing because this show is coming after 4 years, and I think all everybody was waiting for this show to come, and for that we can see huge number of exhibitors as well as visitors who are coming in the show, and if you go to all the stalls, which we have 5 halls, and all the halls are full, and there are a lot of visitors across the all the days. It was peaking around 21,000 visitors coming in a day, and I think it's a challenging thing for all of us, but it's a very good thing for all of us because the enthusiasm is very high, and I think the business scenario is improving, at least in terms of machine tooling and manufacturing. So that's a very positive sign.
You also have this biosolar meet, and which looks quite promising because you have delegates coming from almost 17 countries, and there are more than 40 buyers, prospective buyers. So, how do you look at this event in terms of getting response from the exhibitors? What's the format?
Correct. So MTEX is, if you see MTEX historically, it's in the world map. This show because a lot of international presence happens in MTEX, and this year also we are seeing a huge amount of international visitors which are coming to the show. Yesterday we launched our Biosilla Meet, Reverse Biosilla Meet, where uh, from 16 17 countries, around 40 participants who came here just to have interaction with all the exhibitors and just to have a business dealings with them. So it's a very encouraging thing. We are getting a lot of responses. Other than that also, there is a big focus to sell Indian products, Indian machine tools in the external markets. So if you go around the show, you will see a lot of buyers from different countries who are visiting these stalls, and which is a very very nice thing to see from an India point of view. Yes, so in this event, we have started one new initiative called Connect. The idea is that we bring all the young students from their engineering colleges who have just passed out, who are looking for jobs, to connect them with the manufacturing industry and machine tool industry so that they get employment. I think employment is a very big subject in this country, and manufacturing employment is a very big, subject. And if we can promote and if we can facilitate that employment generation in manufacturing, I think that is a very good thing. And with that, we wanted to start this process, and I think we get a very good response. There are many, more than 300, 350 to 400 students who have enrolled into this. There are many companies from our membership who are showing interest. So overall, it's a very positive thing for us. And going forward, we feel that we will continue this kind of a matchmaking between the students and the employees and the employers, so that the whole community benefits, and ultimately manufacturing becomes a very important
Mhm.
subject for the students community.
Just to wrap up this last one question, that you have the digital manufacturing as a separate pavilion. So the idea is you want to convey that India is progressing in manufacturing technologies, and there will be the advent of industry 5.0 maybe in the coming years. So is this what's the message which Imtex and IMT wants to give to the participants as well as to the visitors for having a dedicated space called digital manufacturing?
Yes, so as you can understand that after the pandemic, this digitalization is a very important topic, and not only that, before the pandemic also, the whole manufacturing sector was going towards digitalization, which improves productivity, and that's why it is very important. And there are a lot of technologies which has come into this place. Industry 4.0 is one of the prime example where the digital inclusion is happening in manufacturing. Going forward, we feel we need to sensitize our members more on digitalization. We have put up a whole pavilion on digital for this. So if you go to that pavilion, you can see the way the computers are actually working along with the physical machines and how things are happening, which is very exciting. And yes, in the future, I think taking this as a benchmark, we are going to grow multifold in the digital part of this particular show.
Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.